Grade 12 Science, the exemplar paper 2014, question 9 is an electrolytic cell. The technician is plating a bracelet with chromium. Now that's very significant. You have chromium that you need to plate the bracelet with. The chromium needs to come from somewhere, and it will be from the chromium solution as well as from another electrode containing chromium sulfate. Simplified diagram is given. Define the term electrolyte. So you can simply say it's a solution that conducts electricity through the movement of ions. So you need to have the two words solution and the free ions. Then 9.2, which electrode, the bracelet or the X, is the cathode? Now at the cathode, remember, reduction takes place. Reduction means that something needs to receive electrons. So it actually is asked here, the reduction half reaction. It will be the Cr3 plus 3 electrons forming Cr solid. That is exactly the purpose of this, to form the Cr solid, which will actually plate your bracelet. Then write down the metal of which, let me just write that down, chromium. Write down the metal of which electrode X is made. Now X is going to be made of chromium. That answer is actually going to be the bracelet of chromium. Then the reduction half reaction I already looked at. You just copied that from your table. And now they say, this is a very important question for 6 marks. During the process, the bracelet is plated with 0.86 grams of chromium. Calculate the number of electrons transferred during the process. Now, for this, you first need to work out what is the number of moles of chromium. It's given in grams, you always need to find the moles. So it's the 0.86, and the molar mass is 52 from your periodic table. And that works out to be 0.0165 mole. Okay, so now we know how many moles of chromium. Now we need to go back to this equation. When you see that 1 mole of chromium ion forms 1 mole of chromium solid, but 3 moles of electrons were actually involved in this reduction. So therefore, the number of moles of electrons is equal to 3 times the number of moles of chromium. So that is equal to 3 times 0.0165, which is equal to 4.96 times 10 to the power minus 2 mole. Now please never clear your calculator, keep this answer because you only need to round off at the end. Now you know the number of moles and you need to work out the number of. So therefore, you're going to need your other mole formula, which is N over Na, where this is the number of particles and this is Avogadro's number. So we are just going to fill that in. So it's going to be, I'm going off the page here, 4.96 times 10 to the power minus 2 is my number of moles, which is equal to N, which is the one that we need to find, and Avogadro's number 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. And if you then calculate N, you find that it is 2.99 times 10 to the power 22 electrons. Right. Very important question, very significant question. Thank you.